Hello. What?
It's not often you put hurdles away, is it?
This guy, honestly.
Yeah.
Not as bad as I thought. G'day, Stanchi. Coach. Yeah, well, I thought. Yeah. Is correct. I'm gonna try and do like. Perfect, that's exactly what we wanted. Let's have a look at the jump. That's just like, yes, I'm gonna.
We're always planning to jump?
Yeah. Like about there?
Yeah, you're going.
Yeah. There he is. Yep. Lost it a little.